Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. We've got groundbreaking news today, and you won't want to miss this. DJI is stepping up its game once again with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. Leaks are pouring in, and the details we've uncovered about this next-generation drone are jaw-dropping. Imagine all the advanced features of a high-end drone, packed into a device that stays under the critical 250g weight limit. Intrigued? Let's dive into everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, from LiDAR integration to a 1-inch camera sensor and even extended battery life. LiDAR comes to the Mini series. Reliable industry insider Jasper Ellens has shared an exciting revelation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include LiDAR sensors. Yes, you heard that right, LiDAR, the technology typically reserved for larger, more expensive drones like the DJI Air 3, is making its way into the ultralight Mini series. But what does this mean for you as a drone pilot? LiDAR integration will significantly enhance obstacle detection and avoidance, especially in complex or low-visibility environments. Whether you're navigating dense forests, urban landscapes, or low-light conditions, this feature could redefine how we approach safe and efficient drone operation. Imagine being able to fly with confidence, knowing your drone has a cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system. Enhanced motors for durability and performance. Let's talk hardware. Recent leaks show that the motors on the DJI Mini 5 Pro come with new vent designs. These vents aren't just for show, they help regulate motor temperature, preventing overheating during prolonged flights. For those who frequently fly their drones for extended periods or in challenging conditions, this improvement ensures durability and consistent performance. It's a small detail, but one that will make a massive difference for frequent flyers. A game-changing camera system. Now for the photographers and videographers out there, this might be the biggest news yet. The Mini 5 Pro is reportedly equipped with a 1-inch camera sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This new sensor promises better image quality, especially in low-light scenarios. Whether you're capturing golden hour landscapes or shooting cinematic footage at dusk, this drone is set to deliver professional-grade visuals. Additionally, DJI has improved the drone's video capabilities. Expect higher dynamic range, enhanced color accuracy, and sharper details in both photos and videos. The Mini 5 Pro might just become the go-to choice for creators who want high-quality output without lugging around a heavy drone. Extended flight time. Battery life is always a hot topic when it comes to drones, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is raising the bar. Reports suggest a flight time of up to 40 minutes on a single charge. That's a significant improvement over the Mini 4 Pro and means fewer interruptions during shoots. Whether you're capturing a stunning sunset or following a fast-moving subject, the extended flight time ensures you'll have ample opportunity to get the perfect shot. Advanced tracking and connectivity. The tracking system is also seeing a major upgrade. If you've ever struggled to keep your drone locked onto a moving subject, whether it's a runner, a cyclist, or even a car, this new system will make your life a lot easier. The Mini 5 Pro's improved subject tracking capabilities are designed to handle fast-moving action with precision. But that's not all. 5G connectivity is another rumored feature. This addition means you'll experience smoother, higher-quality video feeds while flying. Faster response times between the controller and the drone translate to better control and precision, even in challenging environments. A look ahead. Summer 2025 release. The bad news? We'll have to wait until summer 2025 to get our hands on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. But there's a silver lining here. DJI seems to be taking its time to fine-tune every aspect of this drone, ensuring it's not just an iterative upgrade but a substantial leap forward. By focusing on meaningful improvements like LiDAR, a better camera, and enhanced motors, DJI is showing its commitment to quality and innovation. High-end features in a pocket-sized package. The concept of a lightweight drone with such powerful features is revolutionary. LiDAR, a 1-inch sensor, improved battery life, and 5G connectivity, all packed into a drone that weighs less than 250g. DJI is aiming to blur the line between professional and consumer drones, offering a product that caters to both casual users and seasoned professionals. The inclusion of LiDAR may not seem like a game-changer for sunny outdoor flights, but it's a lifesaver in challenging environments. Flying in areas with obstacles or low light will become far less stressful and much safer. And for creators, this means fewer missed shots and more creative freedom. Final thoughts. What do you think about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are you as excited as I am about features like LiDAR, 5G, And the 1-inch camera sensor? Let me know in the comments below which upgrade you're most looking forward to. And don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest updates, leaks, and hands-on reviews of tech. Stay tuned. 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for drones.